Thank you so much for 10k subscribers. We are over the moon, we can't believe it. We wanted to do a good giveaway, and so obviously the prize is a £100 gift card to spend on anything you like off our website, anything at all. So in the video you've just watched, thanks to Meg's Wonderland, who showed off lots of our products in her artwork and in videos, and obviously you can use your gift card on any of those things featured in there. But just to show off what else there is to offer, we've got quite a few new products out at the moment. So we've got some new moulds. Got your wine and glass holder mould. We've got obviously glitters. We've got a massive range of glitters, so you can use your gift card for any glitters that you choose. We've got pigment paste now in the handy squeezy bottles with a massive range of colours. So we've got lots of those. Plus we've also got the paste still in the tubs, so you can use on any of that. We've got some new resin dyes at the moment, so they're perfect for creating translucent colours. So just a couple of drops of those will create a really nice translucent, nice colour for your artwork. And the pigment powders. We've extended our range of pigment powders recently, so there's loads to choose from. As you can see, it's got a nice subtle shimmer in there. We've got the new silicone mould making putty, so you can use that to make your own silicone moulds or barriers for geo trays. So that's a great product, that's new out this week. Obviously resin, if you want to choose to spend it on resin, it's available off any of our resin products. We've got our new jumbo flower mould. Sorry, just put that flat so you can see. So that's now available. We've got some new silicone resin mats, are perfect for just putting down on your table to protect your surface. Can be used over and over again, and any drip offs throughout your work just come straight off. You can even save them and use them for something else. So great, really handy to keep things tidy. We've got our mixing kits. So once your resin's cured, just easily peels away. And then that can just be cleaned off again with soap and water, ready to go again. So they're really handy as well. We've got some new agate slice sets of coaster moulds, shell trinket dish, and lots more. So there's a £100 gift card up for grabs. Closing date will be in the description. But all you have to do is like this video, be subscribed to our channel, and make sure you comment win and what you would spend it on first on our site. Good luck everyone, and thanks again.